Okay, first I'm going to find the square root of 4,321. So what you're looking at, you want to break it apart so that it's in pairs. So I have 43 and 21 as opposed to a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1. So you start with this first pair and you say, what's the largest squared number that can go into 43? Well, that would be 36. So up top I put a 6. And then you square 6 and you get 36. You bring it down here, subtract, you get 7, and then bring down the 21. Then you take the top number up here, you double it, and you get 12. Now this is the tricky part because you have to imagine there's a number here, and you have to figure out, okay, what number goes here so that if I multiply 120 something times that number, it'll be less than 721. So for example, if I have 125 times 5, well, that's 625, so that would work, but maybe 126 times 6 would work. 756 is too big, so that didn't work. That means the number is 5. So I come over here, 5 goes there, and 5 also goes up top. Now see, 6 goes with the 43, and 5 goes with the 21. Okay, multiply 5 times 125, subtract, you get 96. I'm going to put in a decimal, bring down the zeros. Okay, now we're going to take this top number, so 65, double it. You get 130. Again, you have a space right here, so you say what number goes here so that if I multiply that whole thing by that same number, it's less than 9,600. So what is that? Let's try 5. So I get 5, 2, 6. Well, that's way less. So let me try 1306 times 6. 7, that would work, but what about 1307 times 7? 9149. I don't think the 8 will work, but let me just check. 8 and 8, 64, 2. Okay, so that's too big. So it's going to be the 7. So over here, I put in a 7, put a 7 up top. Multiply, you get 9149. Subtract. Let's see, that's 5 and 4. Bring down 2 zeros. You double this number. Oh my gosh, 12, so that's, okay, I don't know. 7, 14, 11, 13, 14, I think. And then you just keep going. So whatever number goes here, so that when you multiply, you get that. So I think I'm going to do one more. I think it's a, say 13 times 4. So then 16, 17, that's 5, 12, 5. Oh, that's too big. 9, 4, 9, 3. That works. 39429. 39429. My number was a 3, so I go up here, I put a 3 and a 3. And then you can keep going. So 65.30 or 73. So let me come over here, and there's 4321, and the square root 65.73. 65.73.